getting so cold. I ain't went this hard since I was 18.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Cheyenne here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I thought it'd be a pretty cool idea to show you guys how I style my faux locks, just because I'm about ready to take these out. I've had this style for maybe about 2 months now, and they still look good. You know, they still look fine or whatever, but I'm just ready to do something new. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna style my hair. I'm just pretty much just gonna go with the flow. Make sure you guys go and check out my Instagram. It's gonna be right here. And let's just get right into the video. So for this first hairstyle, I'm just gonna be pulling all my hair to the front like so you guys get a better view. I'm definitely gonna consider this hairstyle number 1 because it is super cute. This next hairstyle is going to be pretty basic as well. It's just your average side part, and you know what? I really love this hairstyle because it hides my shaved sides. This hairstyle actually does the exact opposite. I mostly rock this because my sides are shaved. Plus, it gets all my hair out of my face super easily. So for this next hairstyle, I'm just going to be taking the front portion, or in my case, the top portion of my hair only, and I'm just going to be rocking this half up, half down hairstyle. Now, I don't usually use rubber bands for my faux locks because my locks are too big, but I'm just going to be taking one lock and wrapping around like so, kind of similar to tying a knot around your ponytail. Ooh sis, this is going to be the hardest hairstyle. Now, it's going to be a bun. I'm going to be taking all my hair and pulling it to the front just so I can get that like perfect high pony. From there, I'm just going to be taking a faux lock like I showed you before and wrapping it around twice just to get it secure, and then I'm going to be tucking it underneath. It is okay that this lock will be shorter than the rest, but it blends in seamlessly. However, this next part may be a little tedious to explain, but I can try. You just want to start twisting the beginning of your bun very loosely. Keyword loosely. And from there, you just want to take smaller sections and start twisting just a little bit tighter. You just want to be sure to leave that front part very loose. So just to give you guys just a little bit of a better view, this is what you should have. Now you should notice that you have these little flyaways right here. You're going to be tucking that underneath. I just want to add that you can shift your bun to your liking. Here's a better view from the front. All I'm going to be doing here is taking the end of my ponytail and tucking it underneath that loose beginning part that I told you guys about in the beginning. That's why you want that front part to be loose. I do want to add that this hairstyle does last me all day. This is how I wear my hair at an 8-hour shift at work. Girl, this bun does not fall out. And you can totally do this step. It's completely optional, but I like to add like those little jewels, those little gold beads to my bun. And from that last hairstyle, I'm just going to be taking out the bun part but leaving in my ponytail, and I'm going to be showing you guys this hairstyle. This is hairstyle number 6. I'm just adjusting it to my liking. This hairstyle is definitely giving me 90s vibes. I love this hairstyle. Super cute. Alrighty, and for this next hairstyle, I'm just going to be taking 5 random locks in the front. It does not have to be 5, girl. It could just be like a random amount of faux locks. I was not too specific. And I'm going to be putting the rest of my hair in a ponytail, being sure to exclude those random locks that I pulled to the front first. So I didn't even think about this until now, but I'm definitely going to make this hairstyle number 7. Leaving those locks loose like this is so cute. This hairstyle is definitely giving me 90s vibes as well. Now for the hairstyle that I initially planned on doing. I'm going to switch sides because I feel like this side, the part is a little bit deeper. So I'm going to be taking those 5 random locks that I told you guys about, and I'm going to be wrapping them just around my whole entire head. And from there, I'm just going to be tucking those ends right into my ponytail. I would say this hairstyle is probably my favorite hairstyle just because I feel like it's the most original. Now, from that ponytail, I'm just going to be wrapping it around in this very uneven, unspecific bun. You know what I mean? I generally rock this hairstyle with a headscarf, but because I don't have one available, I'm still just going to be showing you guys real fast. All I'm doing right now is just trying to secure the bun down in place. For this particular hairstyle, the bun does not have to be perfect. I swear the bun does not have to be perfect. As long as it's secure and in a bun shape, you're fine. Like, these little flyaways are fine. Like I said, this hairstyle does definitely look way better with the headscarf, and it would just go around your head like so. So for this last hairstyle, I'm not exactly sure what to call it, but you'll soon see. All I'm going to be doing is combing all my hair to the front like so, and leaving these 2 faux locks excluded. So from there, I'm just going to be taking the remainder front part of my hair and tying it in the knot in the back. Kind of like a half up, half down hairstyle, but not quite. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching all the way until the end of my video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I've had these locks for about 2 months now, and I'm about ready to take them down. So if you've actually tried this easy DIY faux lock method on yourself and you've experienced this tangling that I'm showing you now, I've actually found that if you sleep with a silk bonnet and a silk scarf on your edges, sis, these locks will last a lot longer, I swear. But these locks were dope. I'm so glad I got a chance to show you guys how I install them, rock them, and style them. Make sure to follow me on IG, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.